Welcome. This is a demonstration of how you can expand the number of worker nodes to add additional compute to your cluster. In this particular demo, I have deployed an OpenShift cluster with 6 worker nodes to vSphere using the OpenShift IPI installer. IPI stands for Installer Provisioned Infrastructure, which is the preferred installation method because it allows the OpenShift cluster to manage the infrastructure. I'm going to use the OpenShift administration console to perform the task. Please note that this same task can be done using the OC command line utility. Within the admin console, I will navigate the left-hand menu to select Compute and then Machine Sets. I'm going to edit the worker node machine set count, increasing it from 6 to 7 workers. This will initiate the cluster to perform the necessary steps to provision the virtual machine and add it to the cluster. I'm going to log into the vCenter console to see how many worker nodes have been provisioned for my OpenShift cluster. As you can see, OpenShift has already deployed a new 7th worker node and is in the process of configuring it for workload. Looking back at my OpenShift administration console, we can see that it only takes a few moments of time for the cluster to recognize the additional worker node, and it immediately begins shifting work to balance out the containers across all 7 workers. This demonstration highlights just one of the many advantages of the OpenShift IPI install method. Thanks for watching.